Hey friends, it's Rick. I'm back with another video today, and I am super excited to share with you this brand new stamp set from the Rabbit Hole Design. It's the Sentimentally Speaking Holiday stamp set with the coordinating dies. This set is amazing because it covers holidays throughout the entire year, which, as you all know, I love a good sentiment set, and this is one that I can use the entire year long and not have to search for stamps from other stamp sets to get the holidays that I want. I have it all in one place with this new addition to the Sentimentally Speaking line. I've put together a few samples using the stamp set to show you just how versatile it really is. So let's get into it right now. All right, let's take a look at the stamp set. This is it. This is the Sentimentally Speaking Holiday stamp set. You have holidays for every holiday throughout the year that you can possibly think of, along with other special occasions. We have Halloween, Hanukkah, Christmas, New Year's, Kwanzaa, Easter, Thanksgiving, Mother's Day, anniversaries, Father's Day, 4th of July, Pride, Valentine's Day. So good all-around general sentiment stamp set for any holiday occasion for the year. So that's one of the reasons I really love this stamp set, because you get such a wonderful mix of holidays. And I love the font that was picked. This has become their signature font for the Sentimentally Speaking series. So far we have the Sentimentally Speaking 1, which is General Sentiments. And now we have the new Sentimentally Speaking Holidays edition. And then the coordinating dies cut everything out perfectly so that it makes layering everything a breeze. So let's jump into some card samples. All right, the first card I wanted to show you today using the stamp set is the one I'm featuring on my blog today. It is the Happy Easter stamp set, and here's the Happy Easter sentiment from the Sentimentally Holiday Speaking stamp set, or Sentimentally Speaking Holiday stamp set. And I paired it with the Easter bunnies and daffodils stamp set and created this beautiful scene card. I just colored it up with my colored pencils and popped on my sentiment and some Versamark ink, because you all know I love a black stamped sentiment with a white outline, so it's perfect. So there is my Easter card. You can find out all that detail on my blog. I will try to remember to link it up there, here, one of those sides. All right, my next card is my Merry Christmas card. I could not have made this without making a Merry Christmas card. So I had already had this image from the Sweet Christmas stamp set. I believe that's what it's called. I'll have to look that up and make sure that's right. But I had that already colored. I paired it with a stencil background with the Candy Twist stencil, and just stamped my Merry Christmas right down at the bottom. So it was super easy to do. All right, my next card, I had to do a Halloween card. Y'all all know, if you follow me, I'm a big Halloween fan. So I took some more images that I had already stamped and colored, had in my stash in my little coloring kit, and I took the Happy Halloween sentiment using the Sentimentally Holiday stamp set, stamped it in VersaFine Clair Nocturne ink, and then put clear heat embossing over it and heat embossed that on some orange cardstock and added it to my card front. You're going to be seeing all of these cards coming up soon in different blog posts throughout the month and coming months. So make sure you look for that. Now, we do have some special occasions coming up. We have Happy Mother's Day, Happy Father's Day. So the stamp set has you covered there. And you can see how versatile it is just by putting it with different things. Like here we did the back alley stencil, and I did some paste over it and colored the paste. Added my Happy Father's Day sentiment to that. And then we totally changed the look by adding the Happy Mother's Day. I did stack that up a couple times, and I stamped the sentiment in alternating patterns in the background and added the daffodil stamps on top. So we have Mother's Day and Father's Day covered. And then I have a fun 4th of July card that I used mixed with the Berry Sweet stamp set and added some red and white straps. I did emboss the background with the Aim for the Stars stencil to make a little festive. I also did a happy anniversary card using the Berry Sweet stamp set and the Daffodil stamp set. I added some clouds in the background with the Coffee in my clouds in my coffee stencil, and then added just simply happy anniversary at the bottom. And then I had to do a pride card where I recreated the pride flag and added happy pride. So here's a look at all the cards I have made so far with the Sentimentally Speaking Holiday Edition. And you will find these cards over on the blog. Here is a look at the stamp set again. And now, you may be wondering, how do you get this? Well, you can head to it's linked below. It's at the Rabbit Hole Design. You can get either the stamp set, or you can get the bundle that has the stamp set and the coordinating dies. Those are your two options. I absolutely love how easy the stamp set makes it to create holiday cards with pairing it with other stamp sets in your stash. It makes it super easy, and I had so much fun playing. As you could tell, I made all those cards in just an afternoon. Now, the biggest thing that I love about having this new stamp set is the fact that I don't have to go searching for the perfect holiday sentiment anymore. In my stash, I can go to the stamp set, pull it out. I have it. I can stamp out my perfect holiday sentiment. I can add it to my card after die cutting it out, and I can just be done. No more searching, no more fussing. Everything's there. Let me know in the comments below which card's your favorite, and I will see you in the next video. If you like this video, you're probably going to like the one coming up right there. I will see you over there. Bye, guys. Stay crafty. Love you.